More than 230 people were also brought back from Iran, another epicenter of coronavirus, earlier in the day. They were then taken to a quarantine facility of the Indian Army in Rajasthan's Jaisalmer. According to a media report, a special flight of Air India carrying 211 Indian students and 8 other passengers who were stranded in coronavirus-hit Italy after flights were cancelled, landed in Delhi on Sunday. 3 family members were injured when a newly constructed house caught fire last evening at Yaripok Tulihal Awang Lekai under Andhra Police Station in Imphal East. The incident happened around 7:15 p.m. according to a report. A short circuit was believed to be the cause of the fire which destroyed the house. The centre has withdrawn the decision of providing ₹4 lakh ex gratia to the families of those who died of coronavirus. The move came just hours after the centre had made the announcement yesterday that it would be providing the monetary assistance per deceased person, including those involved in response activities subject to certification regarding the cause of death from appropriate authority. Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur (PPCM) has accused the BJP-left government in Manipur of luring titular King Lamjingba Sanajauba into politics. Addressing the media at PPCM office at Wahingbam Lekai, PPCM advisor M. Purnimashi criticized the state government over fielding the royal family as BJP candidate from Manipur for the 26th March Rajya Sabha polls. Environmental Force on Grassroots Level and Ukhrul District Working Journalists Association organized a birdwatching program at Langtang village of Ukhrul District yesterday. The program was participated by students of St. Joseph College, Ukhrul, and members of Enfogal and Udzwa. A combined team of Imphal West Commando, Women Police and 16th Assam Rifles arrested 2 arms smugglers from Khongangpat or Kedarium on the outskirts of Imphal last afternoon. The arrested have been identified as Kaingam Medar Maring, aged 52 years, and his wife Singlai Awon Tangkhul, aged 42 years, from Kharo Kuno in Technopal district. 2 9mm pistols and 1 pistol silencer were recovered from the duo, a police report said. There is a sharp decline in the number of foreign tourists to Kaziranga National Park (KNP) in Assam due to the coronavirus outbreak across the globe. According to a statement by park officials, the tourist inflow, especially foreign tourists in the national park, has recorded a decreasing trend after the government issued advisory to avoid non-essential travel due to the rapid spread of coronavirus. The Madhya Pradesh governor has asked Speaker Narmada Prasad Prajapati to hold a floor test tomorrow, days after 22 Congress MLAs resigned, putting in danger Chief Minister Kamal Nath's 15-month-old government. According to reports, Congress has shifted all its MLAs to Bhopal ahead of tomorrow's floor test mandated by the government. The MLAs were lodged at a resort in Jaipur. 2 of the European Union's biggest states, Spain and France, have followed Italy in announcing emergency restrictions to combat the spread of coronavirus. According to the reports, in Spain, people are banned from leaving home except for buying essential supplies and medicines or for work. With 191 deaths, Spain is Europe's worst-hit country after Italy. In France, where 91 people have died, cafes, restaurants, cinemas and most shops are now shut. Italy, which has recorded more than 1,440 deaths, began a nationwide lockdown on Monday. ATK lifted the Indian Super League ISL trophy for the record 3rd time following a 3-1 win against Chennai FC in the final held at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium last night.